Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about another service site. Just before you leave my channel, first thing you have to do is subscribe and like my video, because this is the one you had to definitely to know about. As you see in my previous video about 2 weeks ago, I made a top paying service site which I'm using currently, and I'm making not a couple of hundreds enough money. But one of the site I talk about, I mentioned that I'm using currently, and I will make a review video when the payment is go through. So guys, before we get in the video, always I recommend Creamy to use as a service site, because you are trading your time for the money. If you are trading more time for pennies, that's worthless, guys. The Creamy pays enough money. So if you see the first survey is 46, again it's pennies, but 46 pence for 10 minutes, but you can finish that survey in less than 3 minutes and you can make a 46 penny. Some of the service site pay you 6 pennies for 5 minutes. Those are worthless, guys. So the Creamy I recommend, or you can use it, but it's not available in India or Bangladesh, but most of the Europe and UK and the USA, you can check it out this website. Right now I made around 30 bucks in 15 days. Another 15 days I can make another 30, 60 enough, because I doing survey while I watching Netflix. When I have a free time I do one there, and after there I make around 30 bucks. It's good money, because you didn't waste time and you make money. But this website is so amazing. But why is same as a Creamy, but it's a little bit better, guys. The website I talk about is Live Points. Live Points again look like a Creamy, but instead of money they give you points. You have to do it. But Creamy upload at roughly 6 to 7, at least 8 survey every 2 hours. They continuously upload survey, but this one is give you the survey straight away the amount of survey you can do it. Once they complete the survey, a couple of minutes later, a couple of hours later, they will upload again. So you can do it every single day, every single hour the survey is available. Alright, guys, before I will show the reward and the result, first check this out. Okay, if I open a calculator section here, okay, yeah, say for example you have first 3 ones are available to do it right now. You can start with doing that. So that's should be 50. Okay, you can do it like that. 50 plus 40 plus 75 plus, and that's a 5 points. Yes, 5. Okay, if you're doing the first wait a minute. Sorry guys, I had to do it again. Okay, it's better to do in my phone rather than a computer. It's a little bit difficult, but I will show you guys how much they pay you for the each amount of points. There's a 4 different payment, 4 different amount, and you can get it using PayPal. So the first 4 are 50, 75 and 40 and 5. That's come out again, it's a mistake. 50, 75, 40, 5, that roughly is 170 points. So if we come down to the bottom, then you have a 25, 40 and a 5. Again 240 come down to the other surveys, that is 40 and 50, 50 and 40 and 51. That roughly 471 points. Okay, then if you go back to the reward section here, it will open up the method you can withdraw the money. Right now I have a 54 points, but if you click send now, it will open the reward section. On that reward section you can say you can donate charity, e-card or gift card. Nectar in the UK you can we exchange the points for Nectar. But if you click the PayPal, I always recommend PayPal. See that £5 PayPal, you need to have a 575 points. If you add up, we have a 470, which is a little bit less, but again after 2-3 hours later they upload another 15 to 27 you can easily make. So I with this site, if we spend 2 to 3 hours you can make at least £10 or $10 per day. So that's the site work on they does the site pay out correctly. So if you go to my PayPal section here, if you go to this one, £15 arrived today, that's why I'm making the video. You come down to the bottom, there's the Perk Europe Limited, the £15 they paid. If I go back to the history, so I can show you that there's no screenshot or anything like that. You will go to my old history, see that Perk Europe Limited £5. This is my first withdrawal and this one is the second one, and they will pay you correctly, guys. But one drawback or one difference between Qimi and them, Qimi pays straight away to your PayPal account. With the same day you get it in the same day, not the same day, same second you get it in the PayPal account. On Qimi they said 10 working days, but they will send you the money in 5 to 6 working days. So guys, this is the second and absolutely working service site. You can spend a little bit of amount of your free time and then make a little bit amount of money. It won't change you, you can't live with that money, but has a small impact in your life maybe. So thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe. Again, in the comment section what kind of video you want, a tutorial video or affiliate marketing video, whatever you want, tell me. I will try to make those videos. Thanks guys for watching video. Again guys, if you want to support me, please subscribe. Thank you guys.